What is your name?
Anna.
Anna, how old are you? I'm
7.
okay, so look at Lily, Tom,
Tom.
Billy, and Tim. How does Lily feel? She is?
Happy.
She is happy. How does Tom feel? He
Sad.
is? He is?
Sad.
He is sad. Is Billy hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is Tim great? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. How do you feel? Or how are you? I'm
Happy.
happy. All right. There are many shapes as of this moment. And where is the circle? Circle. Good job. How many circles do you see? How many circles? 1 or 2?
2.
Okay, so let's proceed for this one. What shape is it?
Square.
It's square. All right. Find me a yellow square. Good job. Now, what is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Are there 3 triangles? Okay, so now let's proceed for this one. Is it a purple rectangle? Yes or no?
Square.
Yes. All right. So now, what letter is it?
No.
Letter
Letter
N.
N.
Sound.
Sound. No.
Where is your nose? Can you point out your nose? Your nose. Where's your nose?
No.
Okay, nose.
No.
Now, find me one word that starts with letter O. Letter O. Can you look at there?
Octopus.
Octopus. Okay, what is this?
Nut.
It's a nut. So the orange, it starts with letter C or letter O.
O.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye.